The first thing we will do in LibreOffice Base is create a table. So we will open a new base database, and you can accept the default by clicking Next and then Finish. It will prompt you to give a name to your new database. We're going to name this one Tree Height and save it. And in our database choices in the tab Tables, we're going to click on Create Table in Design View, and a new window should open. Our first row should be our primary key. In this case, it's going to be the tree number. So we're going to go ahead and enter tree number in the field name, and we're going to change the field type to integer. The second row will be our DBH, and that will be numerical. And we have to change the number of decimal places to 1 in this case. Then we're going to add height as well. It's going to be a numerical. Change the decimal place to 1. We will now right click on our first row and make it our primary key. And then I just added 2 more rows. It's going to be the name of the surveyor, and then we can make that a text field type, and the date, which is the date at which the tree was measured. And there's the place to enter a description, so we're gonna go ahead and enter the description for 2 fields. And the date here, we're gonna change the field type to date. And if you go at the bottom in Format Example, you can change the format of how the date appears. There's many choices. We're just going to leave it as the default for now. You can save that and give your table a name. Just going to give it trees. We can now double click on a table. It's empty. We're actually going to close it again because we want the tree number to be auto value. Go back to our table by right clicking Edit and change auto value to yes. Gonna save that and close it again. Double click, and now we can start filling our table. So I'm just gonna fill it as it is in my text file on the left. I'm just going to add a name for a surveyor and a date to show you how you can enter a date. If you want to have a wider column, you can just double click on the edge of the column and it's going to be adjusted to the width of what's in the column. So here I'm just filling the table to give you an example of how you could fill your table. Notice that once you're done filling a row, the tree number will auto-fill, so you don't have to manually enter the tree number. Here it's going to appear as 2. Now that I'm done, and you don't have to save your table, it saves automatically.